Bulwell Forest level crossing in Nottinghamshire.
Nottingham.
Bang.
Ah, it's off.
Yeah, skirt sorted from last time.
Both of them.
Okay, time now is 12:28 on Saturday the 12th of January 2019, the anniversary of the Nottingham fire. This will be 12:27 2.10 East Midlands train system, works up to Nottingham. 12:29 NET, service from Toton Lane to Hucknall. I'm going to leave it on a clause because it might be another one after it. There's a Toton, he shouldn't be out for another 4 minutes. Unless he's late, otherwise he's done for the 12:32. So far we've done Bottlers Hill, got 3 in 1.
I know. It's good.
What's going to happen here?
6 in 1.
The last time I saw a 3 in 1 was actually over in Australia, a video from what's his face? Alex Ellis or something or other.
I remember Alex. He was the one that didn't like that foot crossing, wasn't he?
Yeah. He got a 3 in 1 recently. People walked across the crossing whilst it was going between train 2 and 3.
Oh, I hate
What's
it.
RAC other than a very shite recovery service?
Don't know.
Where are the points set so we know for the tram? Straight in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's Toton then. Here's the East Midlands. Here's another tram. This is a 3 as well. So for Nottingham.
Unless we're Brayford, but I don't think we would.
13846.
846. 158 846.
224.
224. I don't know why, but I really want it to do a Brayford, but I don't think it will.
Vicky McCall. I don't know how to pronounce that, I just made it sound like a sick noise. Are we going up a stone for that one? Say he's out in 3 minutes' time. We're coming to the timetable, so either he's out earlier or late. No, it's coming now. Tram 216.
216.
Dave, Laura and I. To Toton Lane via Nottingham Station. And up they go. Good Christ. 3 minutes for them, 3.